1954 Chevrolet 3100 street rod pickup. Regular cab, short box, step side as you can see, chopped 3 inches. Underneath the hood, 301 Pontiac V8 that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic to be exact, as you can see, flat black in color. Has, I guess, what I would call a painted grille in charcoal. Cleared over. Some nice looking combination, a little bright work left up front with the headlight surrounds, hood ornament, blacked out bumper. If you want to check out the still pictures, be able to see the engine bay, underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes. Does have a new brake booster and master cylinder, and you can see disc up front. New pads in the front as well, riding on polished American classic 5-spoke wheels. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. First, let's take a peek at the bed of this. It's a wood bed, locking gas filler door. And there is a sheet that the previous owner of this truck has left for us. I'll try to hit everything on it, but if I don't, it will be in the folder. You can sure consult with a sales associate if you call in or email. One other thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, some more of the details in this. It is a 1954 frame, 1978 metric Chevy front clip, 2-inch drop spindles. Those are Speedway, by the way, shortened springs. 3-inch lowering block in the rears with a 78 Trans Am rear end. New Monroe shocks, front and rear. New fuel tank, new exhaust, new carpet. Does have power windows. They do work, but need a little help. Let's put it that way. And you can check all of the underside pics out, the interior pics, be able to see the new carpeting, bench seat, interior, under hood pics, and as you can see the interior, obviously seats have been reupholstered. Cloth vinyl combination. Nice contrast with the turquoise dash, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. According to the previous owner, the gauges do work. Power window switches. Like I said, previous owner stated those work. Do need a little bit of help, probably going up like you see so often. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this hood open. Check out this engine bay. Let me pause it. You're going to need a couple hands to get this hood open. Check it out. Wrap this video up. Alright, that turquoise contrast carries on the firewall or cowl. You can also see new wiring. Power brakes, power steering, new brake booster, and master cylinder. And again, 301 Pontiac V8 powered aluminum radiator, electric puller fan. Sounds good. Just a really running engine, no doubt about that. Nice tidy looking engine bay. '54 Chevrolet 3100 pickup and street rotted. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
We have a 54 Chevrolet pickup. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to take some videos for you guys. This truck does have a noise coming from the speedometer.